The lift industry is one of the highest paying fields in the working world at the moment. A lift engineer on a service contract can earn in excess of £60,000 a year.
Because I've worked in the lift industry now for coming up to 40 years, I definitely would say it's a good industry to be in. I've never been out of work for more than a month, and that was in between jobs when I knew I had a job and I just chose to take some time off. There's always lifts, they always need maintaining, they always need installing.
Because we don't just install, we do service and repair lifts. It's an ongoing service to our customers, so it's a really good career to get into.
The Lift Industry Training Centre really helps people that wants to retrain out of their existing jobs and into the lift and escalator industry using their existing transferable skills. It's much more flexible. I've been working in the lift trade since 1989, so we can help people at every step. We can help people run their own company, we can help people source an apprenticeship, we can help people that simply want to get qualified on, for example, lift installation.
I think having someone who's been on the tools and done the job is always a lot more useful than having someone who's just lecturing to you that hasn't, so you can ask them questions.
He's giving out valuable resources rather than hiding everything.
I kind of like how he emphasised on how to improve yourself as a person in searching out jobs.
I had a lot of experience, but I'm new here to the UK, and I came to this seminar to learn how things work.
Knowledge and experience, those are the things that is enough to actually catapult you into whether you want to be a manager or even start your own business.
It was very positive and giving us a lot of tips, and I could see how some of the things he's saying, how we do work in real life.
So we get a range of people to enrol on our courses. Quite often the people are in low paid types of jobs. That could be retail, it could be security, and we can help them with a mastermind style of training to help them to fast track into a new career. We do NVQ regulated courses, we do short vocational courses, and the Rolls-Royce course is our mastermind lift industry training groups that we run in hotels and business centres around the UK. We deliver online courses, and it's a way that I can talk to lots of people in one go, and it's a very, very efficient use of time. You should join our courses to learn from the experts, because we have the experience, we've got the contacts, and we've just got the know-how.
I originally went into thinking my career is going to be as a motor mechanic, and I've spent time in the career and it's not really been for me. So obviously I enjoy using my hands, so having the opportunity to go into a lift business is interesting, and it is really interesting seeing how everything works, and it seems like a really good opportunity to go into.
Owning your own business, learning it for 2 to 3 years, 2 to 4 years, and then straight going into your own business. It doesn't, 2 to 3 years, 2 to 4 years sounds like a long time, but in the end run, it will be worth it.
What really persuaded me was A, I could use my skills, and B, Rob has sort of said at the end of the day, there will be interviews, and you can't get any better than that, getting your foot, in the door and meeting people and actually finding out what they want.
Nothing great is achieved alone. We partner with lift companies, we partner with lift consultants and lift suppliers, and I think one of our biggest key assets is our relationship with PEW electrical wholesalers. We've worked together on dozens of projects, from helping younger sixth form school leavers and college students get their first foot in the door, to older and newly unemployed people looking to change jobs, maybe due to redundancy, or to return back to work and are now looking for a new job.
We've come today to recruit for some trainee engineers. So we've just been and spoken to about 16 new recruits. We are looking for trainee installers and engineers that we can take on and train continuously ourselves in-house and further into their NVQ.
It's not only that you get to meet your potential employees, you also get to see the behind the scenes.
It's been interesting. There are some good candidates, and I will be thinking on what I'm going to do if I'm going to make an offer in the near future.
So I was speaking to Martin Clifton of MKM Elevators, and he's offered 4 people positions today. So hopefully some of the people that have arrived today that they've offered a job to will go ahead and join their company.
I think the lift industry training centre is quite a good way to start people off in the lift industry.
I would recommend this training institution to anybody, honestly.
We've trained up hundreds of people over the years, and they've gone through to their relevant NVQ level 2, 3 or 4 programs.
They will help you, they'll give you all your protective equipment you're going to need.
At the moment I'm working on the service side. We do repairs, there's a lot of overtime, we do call-outs.
Over the period of the 4 or 5 days, there was about 14 to 15 interviewers came in.
So I really enjoy my job as a trainer. I suppose the best thing is I can give that bit of experience back to the new beginner. It's much better to learn from experts than it is to try and learn all by yourself.